Alright, so we'll talk quickly about the plumber's vise. And when I'm cutting off a short section of this, even though it's a saw and it's not as sharp as a knife, I still don't want to have anything inside my triangle of death, my blood triangle. I don't want to make any cuts. I want to make those cuts towards the outside of my leg or past my knees. So what I can do is a simple plumber's vise. And to do the plumber's vise, all you have to do is, with your dominant leg, step over, place the piece that you're working with in the crook of that knee with the section you want to cut off towards the outside, and then rest the rest of the workpiece that you're not going to be using on top of your non-dominant knee. And then you can squat down, and what you've created is a vise between your legs here with your workpiece safely to the outside. Slide it out to the section I actually want to cut off. And now that piece is secure. And I'm cutting to the outside of my triangle of death here. If I needed to make another cut, move it out further, squat down again, and put it into position. So that is the plumber's vise.